Hello and welcome to another Tech Articles. In this article, which is a follow-on to our previous video about packing slips in SureCart, we're going to test autoprint.email, which is available for Linux, Mac and Windows. It's a lifetime product available or as a subscription. It's about $100. And it does the same as the API we used in the previous video. So it will allow you to connect a always-on computer to a printer. And we're going to set it up. We're going to run a test. I haven't used the software before. I have logged in and made an account. I have spoken to the developer. But this is going to be a live record all the way through. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is install the software. Now, I'm using the Windows version here because I'm a Windows user. You'll see that it's starting to load. And it's installed. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to pause this while I put my email address here for my magic link. Then I'll get the magic link, I'll click it, and it should log me in. So I've got my login link, so I'm going to click that and open that. And you'll see here I'm now in. Now I've already signed up for my trial account, so I didn't need to do that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to select a provider. Now this is going to very much depend on who your email provider is. In my case, I'm going to use my demo email domain. So I have all my details here. So the first thing we want to do is find how we do normal IMAP. And I think it's this one here, custom. So the email address I've set up for this demo is printer@demoemail.co.uk. I'm going to put the password in there. The IMAP host, in my case, is eu.eu.cool. Maybe it is EU1. Yep, it's EU1. So I want inbox. I don't want it to print everything, so I'm going to select a custom rule here. Create your first rule. I'm going to say comes from. And I'm going to go and load our site from earlier. And this should work the same way as PrintNode, so that I can grab the email address that we are sending from. So as per our last email video, I'm just going to Sure Mail, copy the email I want. So match all conditions in my case. Sender contains that email, and then that's it. That's my custom rule. My print settings, I can select a printer. Like in our previous demo, I'm going to select this printer here. We want one copy. Mark emails read after printing. Yes, it's a black and white printer anyway. I don't want to print the message body, just PDFs in the attachments. Push continue. Save and start monitoring. And that's pretty much it. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to drag over my site and I'm going to change my packing slip email to printer@demomail, like so. And I'm going to pull up my printers like last time. If I can get that. Open print queue, printers here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to do an order. I'm going to do a small order here. This is just to test it works, not that it does everything we want. We've proved the package slip does what we need. So I'm going to go to a UUPT test. I'm going to add 1 blue, 2 yellow, and 3 green. And they're in our checkout. I'm going to go to our checkout. I'm going to select our country as United Kingdom. Put some random details in here. A similar fake postcode. And we're going to check that out. Now I don't know how often that polls, so this is all going to be new to me. I'm going to close down this site, check our packing slip first, and I can say here it's already printing. So it's been sent and it's come out. This is the packing slip that's been sent, and if we go over to our attachment is printing, and it tells us here a recently printed email. So that works 100% of the way we wanted it to work. It works exactly the same as the SaaS of PrintNode, but it's a one-time fee for the software. You install it on your computer, just the same. They have it for Linux, Windows and Mac. So this is a cheaper way to process those emails, particularly if you're going to do this in a long-term basis. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel.